important your study table is very tiny. Okay, very tiny. And never use glass as a tabletop. Never use glass because of the reflection. Because of the reflection. And never have this reflective item all around them. Nowadays, all the kids learn to buy CDs. And whenever they don't want to use the CD, they stick up all the CD all over the wall. See, this is not good. These are reflective things, right? Again, this will distort their attention. Okay? And the kids will actually lose concentration. Right? Lose concentration. And they themselves will be very fatigued, means they're very tired with all this glossy or flickering findings around them, so which will actually cause them to fail in their studies. These are the things that you should think of, because especially kids nowadays will have a lot of these CDs around them, right? In terms of, yeah, maybe there's some changes, because now a lot of people are using MP3, MP4 and all that, but previously it's still